Hi, good morning. It's Sarah Taylor, or afternoon or evening, wherever you're tuning in from. I'm showing you a painting on a 12 by 12 inch canvas that I've painted kind of this dark indigo blue. And I've got this iridescent gold fine paint by Golden. That big jar there is my translucent base coat. And this is another pearl base coat in manganese blue. And that's a Sky Blue Light by Amsterdam, and that's like Prussian blue Payne's gray mixture, really dark and moody, and golden yellow by TriArt. And I used their liquid paint. I skipped that yellow. This is a special mixture. This is the only puddle paint I'm using in the painting, and it's just in white. There's my 12 by 12 inch gallery wrapped edge canvas from Jerry's Artorama. So if you've been watching me for a while, you know that I love the bloom technique, the bloom swipe, and I love the pearl technique. This is kind of a brainchild trying to sort of merge these two concepts together, mostly in an effort to scale this concept onto a larger canvas easier than maybe you could a bloom painting. And I did this maybe 18 months ago or so. I was playing with this concept and I kind of went away from it, and I've really been wanting to come back to this. So what you're seeing here, these are all base coat paint in all these beautiful tones of blue, and I'm laying them over the top of that translucent base coat. If you're not familiar with these terms that I'm throwing out, I've got a bunch of video links below with a lot of great teaching content. This is, a little bit further down the road. So if you want to find out more about the pearl technique, the bloom technique, there's some links in the description. But here I'm taking, this is all base coat. And then this is a white puddle paint that I just kind of put on this little plastic card. And I'm spreading it over top the base coat colors. So it's really cool. What happens here is that the white paint, it sort of acts like a cell activator in a way, and you lay that on top, and then what are pearls come up through that white paint in the base coat colors that have been put on the translucent base coat. Anyways, kind of a mouthful, but I really have been having fun with this, and I find it just really organic and beautiful the way the paints react with each other, and they kind of keep changing the way pearl paints do. And it's really fun. I've decided to go ahead and teach this at Fluid Art Experience this year, 2026, and I'm going to put it into my translucent pearl class just to mix things up a little bit. And I'm going to demonstrate it and teach this alongside the translucent pearls. And I'll also teach this again at Deer Lake in September. So that's going to be kind of a pearl-centric curriculum at Deer Lake this coming fall. And I've got a few seats left in my spring retreat as well. So a lot of things happening. All that is in the description. And please feel free to reach out to me directly. My email is info@stmodernart.com. I would love to hear from you directly if you have any interest in these events or these techniques. And just enjoy. I'm going to show you this, and I'm going to show you another painting as well in a different color palette. And the base coat didn't dry quite as clear as I would have liked, so I'm going to keep working with this and keep playing with it to see where it goes. So much love, enjoy. Also, I do need to mention my Patreon account my Patreon community is super active. We do like group Zoom meetings and challenges. We have a Facebook group. So come check that out. And you see what's happening though? Like, oh my gosh, and that little bit of gold high flow, if you put it down before you spin it, it really like takes hold and creates these beautiful moments in the painting. So, all right, much love. Stay till the end. I'll show you the dried results of both of these pieces, and I hope you have a really beautiful, beautiful day. Talk to you soon.